8 degrees or something. It's hot. It's gonna be hot. It's gonna be like 95 today. Let's go see what they have. Looks like there's more cat stuff. I don't know about that one. What's that? Kibble, whatever it's called. I'll look that one up. It's just $1.99. Let's see. It's not in bad condition. It's not in the best condition. Won't really shut all the way. They're trying to get me again. Looks like they finally restocked the books. Usually they restock them on Mondays, but they did not. They didn't do it Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday. I might look up this French design. That might be a good one. Upscale French, like not French, but upscale design books can do good. I'm not really seeing anything else. Head down to the toys. Let's see what's new. They're always right by the speaker over here. These look kind of cool. It sort of look like there's vintage action figures in here. I could be totally wrong. It almost looks like vintage G.I. Joes. $5. I might take a risk on that. What else do we got? Barbie Play-Doh set. So I think it just escalated quickly because I'm not sure what's going on here, but I'm pretty sure these are some good action figures. It looks like there's army figures, so there may be a whole bunch of those, but there's no telling what's in here. So I'm definitely gonna pay the $5 because all I need to do is sell one of these for $5 to make my money back. I was hoping maybe we could find the creamer in the mug. I do not see it. But there's some other good stuff. There's a cat tile. I don't know if it's worth $4, but I'll check it out. See what we can find. Not really seeing anything. These might be good. I'll look those up. Maybe there's more. It's tempting. Sealed. Goblin. Check it out. Alright, I think we have narrowed it down. But we have our 2 bins of action figures, our Furby, our Kiplon cat creamer, and some Oracle cards. We did pretty good today. That was more exciting than it's been in like 3 weeks. So the Furby, the 2 packs of Oracle cards, and the Kiplon, I think I'm pronouncing that correct, cat creamer, will bring me right at $100. So the 2 little bins slash boxes of action figures that look to be vintage, or at least interesting, that's definitely all going to be profit. It'll be exciting to see what they're worth. Okay, we're on day 5 of the early bird challenge. I don't feel like I've gotten here early enough every day. I mean, really, they don't start stocking till like 10 o'clock, so it's fine, but it is actually after 11 today, and it's already super hot. I stayed up till like 6 in the morning listing, and then slept for about 3 hours, got up, packaged my eBay items, and got going. So we're gonna go in and see what they have, and hopefully there's good stuff. I went ahead and got a cart this time because I keep not getting a cart, and then I keep ending up needing a cart is the point. I'm trying to tell myself no, I don't need plushes. I think all the resellers have decided that they don't need plushes. Those are all plushes. I feel like these uncandles used to do good, so I'm gonna look them up. I don't know what they're doing right now, but I think they used to do all right. I found a box. It was like $15, but when I looked in it, I saw dinosaurs, so I went ahead and got it, and it was like all original Jurassic Park dinosaurs. Yeah. There's probably like 100 in there.
That's a good find. Monster trucks.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's full of monster.
Oh wow. That's cool. There's some more Oracle cards. They got some good ones sometimes. And there's another one. Oh yeah. That's cool.
He stayed in there for hours and never moved.
I bet. Found a couple more decks of Oracle cards. So that's good. There's a Pokemon game. Some of them do really, really well, and some of them just aren't worth like anything, but we will check that one out for sure. Battle at Sea. That's kind of cool. It's like a knockoff Not knockoff, but different version of Battleship, maybe. What else do they got going on? I was gonna see if this Brady Bunch game was like. It probably isn't worth it. I don't know. Might as well look it up since I'm here. Basically, any game I've never seen before that looks of mediocre quality or above, I look it up. It's something like 90% of video or board games are discontinued within like 1 year, I think. Some sort of crazy statistic like that. I'm gonna look that one up. That looks new. Alright, I'm gonna check all these games out real quick. So everything went back but the Oracle cards. That's like $70 worth of cards right there. Cute. Looks like the star was glued back on. I keep seeing that and thinking it's Jim Shore for a second, but it is not. New silverware. They're restocking some, but I'm not really seeing anything good coming out. I always check any hardback Stephen King for signature because he seems to sign a lot of books and his signature significantly increases the value, more so than most authors. And even if it's one of his books that aren't as sought after, having a signature in it usually makes it worth it. I figure we may as well take a look at the linens just in case. Robin Randolph. That might be good. Sorry, Robin, your fabric is apparently mediocre at best. It's pretty. That looks Russian. British. I did find these bicycle Old Masters sealed cards. The last one sold like a month ago for $14.79 or $14.99 plus shipping. There's only 20 listed, and the lowest one listed is at $15. So it's $1.99. It's not a huge profit, but I can go in. All of the rest of them are listed at like $20 to $30. So I can actually list that at that like $14, $15 mark, and I should have it sold fairly quickly. And I may can even just go down to like 12 or so and sell it really quickly. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick that up. So it looks like we're just gonna be getting all the cards today. $6 into about 80, 85, depending. I am done. I'm not sure what tomorrow morning looks like yet. I haven't really decided. I'm being very particular about how I invest my money right now. Basically just crashed my algorithms again for a couple different reasons. One, I'm trying to make a video about the effects of listing and different practices on algorithms. I also wanted to take a week off before things get even crazier in my life because I hadn't had a lot of time off. And I needed to regroup and put some things in order and just sort of find a calm again. The last 3 days I have listed 220 items now, like I'm back at it. But I did take that week off prior to this week, and I knew what it would do, but now that I'm in it, it's terrifying. But I am gonna make that video probably over the weekend, and then we'll see. Sales will probably likely start picking up within the next 2 days. From my experience, it takes about 3 to 4 days before things really start ticking upward again after your algorithms crash. So that'll be good, but I am being super frugal and just trying to keep my mentality in the right spot. I am going to go get a barbecue sandwich. I can get a barbecue sandwich and some cobbler and some baked beans and a drink for $9. One of the benefits of being in a small southern town. And it's the good barbecue because we're close to Memphis. So for 3 weeks now, I've eaten almost entirely whole foods, drank almost entirely water or green tea. I've had like 2 or 3 cups of coffee, and it's doing well. I'm starting to feel better, but I won't barbecue today. It's Friday. I'm gonna get some sugar and some carbs and some salt. YOLO. Oh my God, I haven't said that. I haven't even heard, I never really said that. I haven't heard that in a minute. That's all. I'm gonna go now. And this will likely be posted Sunday. Thanks for coming along. I'll see you next time, and bye.
What for you?
Can I get a pork sandwich, medium sauce with mayo slaw?
Medium sauce and mayonnaise sauce?
Yeah.
What else?
A side of baked beans and 2 apple
Just
pies.
small baked bean? And what else?
2 apple pies.
2 apple pies?
And then a large half sweet, half unsweet tea.
I need a large half and half.